anyhow, yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and we'll see how it goes. But I'm so excited. Things happen. I just really hope that she feels better. It does. I mean, initially, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a human being. Initially, it made me sad, but I can always go back. That's the thing. And I just felt sad that like she doesn't feel well, that she had to cancel at the last minute. So yeah. 와 이거 제가 알기로는 그거거든요. So what I've understood from the I travel a lot and I usually not get any type of travel insurance, but it was a last minute travel, so I decided to book it. And also the time for this, I can't remember. I'm sorry, that was not flying out of my mouth. It's 1 o'clock almost, so I'm really tired, but I had a pretty bad experience from my previous trip. I can't remember where I went, but things got messed up and it costed me a lot. So that's one of the reasons why I got the insurance. One of the main reasons why I got the insurance. And but this is really hard. The itemizing part and you have to add the numbers up, and some of the numbers, like for example Delta. So my flight back to RU is with Delta, and I use my points. And when you claim your airfare with points, you also have to pay the fee. The fee was almost $100, and it still saved me some money. So I don't understand I don't know how to use that item, because technically it cost me $100, but I also use my mileage. So I might have to go back and reclaim it, but it's just getting so tricky. And there was like so many more things I was gonna say. I usually don't get frustrated. 여러분, 미국 상황일수록 새치기를 하지 말도록 합시다. 진짜 새치기 좀 하지 마라. 새끼들아, 새치였으니까. 나 정말 욕을 안 하는데 욕 나온다. 새치기 좀 하지 말고 제발. 나도 이제 새치기를 할 때가 된 것 같아. I think it's finally time to customize and be angry. Wow. I'm smiling, but that's my coping mechanism. 참에 이걸로 어그로를 좀 끌고 유명한 사람이 되는 것도 나쁘지 않을 것 같아요. 웃고 싶다 진짜. 거의 90분째 아무한테도 얘기도 못했어. 어떻게, 아니 이게 날씨 때문에 지연이 되는 것도 날씨 지연 경험을 봤어. 근데 어떻게 How in the world 승무원이 직원이 한 명이 출근을 안 할 수가 있지. 아니 나도 몸이 아파서 출근 안 해본 적 있는데 it does happen to me too, but 이건 항공사는 좀 다르잖아. 그렇지 않나? 내가 너무 깐깐하게 생각하는 건가? 나 아닌 것 같은데. 와우. 울고 싶다. 진짜 for real. 어떻게 됐어요? 너무나도 really seriously, absolutely, absolutely 마지대 미칠 것 같아요. Driving me nuts. 미칠 것 같다です. 뭐うダメです. Soon update. I had to cancel the plan. So I'm going back to RDU tomorrow. I really don't want to. I was gonna push it through, but I looked at the time and everything, and like so many things got already like canceled or rescheduled, and like plus this hotel was the hotel that I was at. So I just had like when I got stuck here for a snowstorm. So I just, I just, it's just I try to not let the vibe get on the way, but I just have bad feelings. So I'm going home. So yay! It's okay. I can always go back to. I mean, I've never been, but I can always go to Colombia at any time, so I'll be fine. And I'm gonna go home. I mean, I'm gonna go up and sleep because I'm tired. I'm so tired. It's like 3 a.m. now. I can't. That's another thing. I can't travel if it's like 3 a.m. now, and like by the time I take shower and everything, I'm gonna fall asleep like close to 4, and I can't push through like that because it's just I don't have energy for it. So. It's such a bummer, but like I don't think my body's actually like able to handle this. But things happen. Things happen. 나는요, 문제가 뭐냐면요, 착해요. 근데 뭐 사실 이게 뭐 부부가 되자고 착하는 건 아니고 어쩌겠습니까? 그냥 될 대로 되라. 이것도 경험이지, 이것도 피가 살이 되고 이것도 나중에 추억이 되겠지, 그런 느낌인데. Oh, 안녕하십니까. Hi guys. I slept for about 3 hours. Apparently my watch thing said I had like the best rest ever. I'm never gonna be able to trust my watch because I'm so tired. 제 가민 시계가 아주 리커버리를 잘하셨군요. 잘 쉬셨네요. 이런 말도 안 되는 말을 하고 있어요. 제가 지금 어제 3시간 자고 어제 공항에서 3시에 나왔거든요. 새벽 3시에. 오늘 공항이지. 오늘이구나. It's not yesterday, it's today. Today at 3 a.m. I left the airport. Yeah. Holy cow. So here's what happened. 제가 아주 간단하게 설명을 해드릴게요. Very briefly, in a brief manner. I'm most likely going to make a video, and I did, So what happened was, I booked my trip. It was a last minute, but I'm really good at swinging last minute things. And nowadays, things are so easy to book. It's not like back in the day where you have to make a phone call or like write a mail or even an email and wait for the response for the third party. There's so many companies that like offers an instant booking and you can communicate directly with the host and blah blah blah. And that was really easy. Like I say, the trip itself, I think I was a little bit nervous about it, but overall it went well. Still, the planning part. 제가 되게 뜬금없이 콜롬비아를 가자 그래서 가기는 했는데, 사실 예전에 비하면은 우리 저 20대 시절만 해도 이렇게 부킹을 하고 이렇게 지금처럼 쉽진 않았단 말이에요. 지금처럼 쉽진 않았는데 요즘엔 너무 쉬워요. 에어비앤비나 이런 회사들이 그냥 클릭만 딱딱딱 하면 바로 됐음, 님 됐음 이렇게 해주고, 그러면은 바로 또 그쪽에 있는 이제 그쪽 담당자분들과 내가 다이렉트로 이제 메시지도 보낼 수 있고 그래서 되게 좋은데. So yeah, I had everything planned and and after that everything started falling apart. Like I've never heard of a case where one of the flight attendants wasn't available and the entire crew members, and I felt bad for the crew members too, but they were like, we apologize, we were just gonna be really honest about it, like we were looking for somebody, blah blah blah. I'm like, wow, like I never heard of a case like that. This is so bizarre. 그래서 무슨 일이 있었냐면, 제가 비행기를 이제 타고서 이제 비행기 이제 게이트에 갔는데, 게이트에서 갑자기 그 승무원 한 분이 모자라다는 거예요. 그게 법으로 정해져 있다고. 승무원이 이제 최소 뭐 N명 이상 타야지 할 수 있는 건데, 비행기가 뜰 수 있는 건데, 승무원 한 분이 안 나왔다는 거예요. But here's the thing, here's the catch. Like, I get it, that's another situation where like people might be sick or whatever, but flying from A to B, especially on an international, that was my international part of the trip. That was from Houston to Bogota, Colombia.
And I just don't understand quite like how in such silly way things like this happen. So you 너무 and I felt bad for the workers there too. It wasn't fair for them. It's the system issue with the United Airlines. And I continuously experienced this thing over and over again with them. And I don't think from now on I made up my mind that I don't care how cheap it is, I am not gonna fly with them. It's just really awful. And it's not right for both parties, both like the people who are using the airline and the people who work there. The bottom, like, you know, the actual people I can't talk. The actual people that get to interact with the customers. It's so not right. 그래서 그 결국에는 비행기가 취소됐는데 직원분들도 되게 미안한 거예요. 직원분들한테도. 직원분들도 솔직히 까놓고 말하면 직원분들도 안 됐죠. 직원분들은 그게 유나이티드 항공사 시스템의 잘못이지. 직원분들이 뭐 그래서 그러고 싶었겠어요? 그건 아니잖아요. 근데 진짜 유나이티드 항공사 탈 때마다 이런 자잘한 일들이 너무 많으니까 좀 지쳐요. 그래서 저는 이제부터 두 번 다시 유나이티드 항공사는 안 탈 것 같아요. 나 저가 항공사 이거보다 저가 항공사도 많이 타봤는데 이런 적은 거의 없었거든요. Like I've flown with airline where it's considered as a cheap airline, and I never really had an issue like this. 그래서 이거 어떻게 해야 되지? 못 가겠네. 그거서 취소를 하려고 그러는데 이제 호텔 갔죠. 호텔 가는 것도 새벽이니까 엄청 오래 걸리고 리프트 제공해주면 뭐해? 리프트 제공해주면 뭐해? 그게 리프트만 거의 30분 기다렸어요. I mean, they did provide a lift ride from the airport to hotel because it was gonna be like the overnight thing, but because it was so late in the night, it had to. Like I think I waited about 30 minutes for the lift. The Lyft driver told me that like he came all the way from downtown Houston, which is pretty far away from the airport. I've been to downtown Houston. I was here last year running. 그래서 제가 다운타운 휴스턴에서 왔다는 거예요, 리프트 운전사분이. 근데 제가 다운타운 휴스턴 가봤거든요. 왜냐면 거기서 작년에 떴단 말이에요. 와, 진짜 이게 다이나믹하다 싶더라고요. What a dynamic day I had. 그러니까 내가 말하자는 거는 so here's the point that I'm trying to make. Things happen. I really firmly believe that things happen. 제가 말하자고 하는 것은 늘 말하지만 그 어떤 특정한 내가 상상하지 못했던 사건 사고들이 발생할 수 있어요. 근데 사건 사고가 발생하면은 여러 가지 이유로 사람이 그래 그럴 수 있지 이렇게 넘어갈 수 있고 아니면은 그게 좀 화가 나기 시작하는데 and like when things happen you either think that well you know things happen can't control it I'm okay still or you start digging into the system like why the things happen and like they don't quite make sense and this was the case this absolutely was the case. For God's sake, I had to wait like almost an hour to just talk to an agent at the airport. And when I was at the hotel, there were so many people lined up to check in. And while I was trying to check in, I called the United Airlines like 800 number. But then before that, I actually went on the chat because I opened my app and I was like, I want to switch to a different flight. And the way it was worded, I can't remember exactly, but I read it, so I remember how it was. So the way it was worded was that like, oh yeah, like we should be able to do it like through the chat to switch it. But as soon as like the chat, I told that to chat agent that like I actually have to go home instead of going to Bogota. She was like, well, you have to make a phone call. So I had to make another phone call. And it's a little thing. I usually wouldn't mind it at all, but jeez, it was just so much. 그래서 이게 그 호텔에 와서 새벽 4시쯤 거의 3시 4시쯤 와서 이제 줄에서 기다리면서 이제 중간에 이제 핸드폰으로 통증이 너무 심해서 이건 아니겠다 싶어서 집에 가야겠다 일단은 싶어서 집으로 가려고 그 여러 가지를 딱딱딱딱 클릭해서 이제 집에 가는 거를 이제 채팅을 해서 집에로 가는 비행기 편으로 바꿀 수 있게 해주는 것 같은 거예요. 말이 정확히 어떻게 적혀 있었는지 기억 안 나는데 그런 말이었어요. 그런 말이어서 이제 채팅을 해서 채팅도 기다려야 되지. 채팅도 기다려야 돼 하는데 그 채팅 담당 그 하시고 나한테 답변해 주시는 분이 아 이거는 고객님 800번 이제 우리나라로 치면은 그 약간 그 회사 라인 번호로 연락하셔야 된다는 거예요. 너무 웃기지 않아요? It's so funny. It's so funny. It is so inconvenient. Yet when the customer does anything wrong, you don't get any money back, and like you know they're very not nice about it. But this is another case where I didn't do anything wrong, and I mean they tried to make it up. It just felt wrong. It just felt so wrong in so many levels. And I'm trying to grasp how to really handle it and how to cope it almost. I'm fine. I'm fine. And I'll be fine, both physically and mentally. But what about the time that I'm wasting? What about like the fact that like, you know, I took work off and everything. There's no compensation for that. And it's an opinionated thing. It's just my opinion. But, you know, from my personal perspective, this was awful. 뭐 개개인의 의견이죠 결국에는. 근데 개개인의 의견인데 저 개인적으로는 진짜 최악이었습니다. 끝. Bye. So with all these being said, 이게 이제 그 결론 진짜 결론은 내가 이렇게까지 힘들었는데, you know, it was this tough. Like it was so tough that I really now on Wednesday need Manchester United to win the Europa. 이제 이게 너무 힘들었기 때문에 진짜 찐 결론은 야 맨유야 너네 수요일에 진짜 안 이기면은 혼난다. 유럽 안 이기면 혼난다. 뿅 바이.
I just got to the hotel that I was able to book with the voucher, and it's called Sonesta. And when I saw the photo, I was like, this looks really familiar. This looks really, really familiar. And they just changed the name, but this is the exact same hotel that I stayed at when my flight was canceled back in January. This is the exact hotel. Exact hotel. Deja vu, ooh la la. Like, I remember the dining area and everything. Crazy.